Welcome back, everybody. This will be June 2016's Nerd Block Classic unboxing. So you got a shirt, like you do. Oh, it's pretty light too. I like that. I don't know what that shirt is. Hold on. This is a t-shirt from The Legend of Zelda. I thought so, but wasn't positive, but that's pretty cool. The Nerd Block exclusive is the Ghostbusters Tobin Spirit Guide. With the Ghostbusters reboot right around the corner, we're celebrating its release with this exclusive Tobin Spirit Guide. Now you'll be able to start your own paranormal investigation and extermination business and know exactly which creepy phantom you're faced with. Includes those Class 7 Meta Spectras. So that is pretty cool. Oh, that's really nice. I like books, and this is so cool. It's Ghostbusters. I got a Dorbs Guardians of the Galaxy vinyl collectible, Groot. So that is super cute. There you go. How cute. Yep. There were 2, 3, 6, 9, 12 different ones you could collect. Yep, Groot. There we go. Better picture of them. That is super cute. Then we received, let's see, this is the Robb Stark Copper Star. It's a coin from Game of Thrones. Hope you guys can see it. See it better. So yeah, that is super cool. So that's really cool. Got a coin. That was also an exclusive item, so was the t-shirt. Received a Gryffindor crest bookmark. That's really cool. I like that. And it's heavy at the top, so I like that. It's very cool. And what else is in my box? And ooh, this is also an exclusive. It is a Goonies world map. So we go. Open it. Hold on. You gotta pull it out. Come on. There you go. Oops. If I try. So that's really cool. So this is the Goonies map. Oh, it's upside down. Alright, yep. So that's really cool. Oh, I've never seen Goonies, so that's pretty cool. Oh. Get it together out here. Alright, so I got some pretty awesome items. I really like the shirt, even though it's black, it is thin material, which is really cool. I love the Ghostbusters book. That Goonies map is really neat. I think if I was a Goonies fan, I would be all over that. Groot from Guardians of the Galaxy, that is adorable. I'm going to put that in the living room. And that coin is super cool. I don't watch Game of Thrones, but I still like collectible coins. And the Harry Potter bookmark. Awesome. Alright, in next month's box, which will be July. In July's box next month, Nerd Block Classic will have a Psychotic exclusive from Suicide Squad. And apparently there's supposed to be 4 exclusive items in July's box. So if you're looking for exclusives, go subscribe. There will also be mega items from Transformers, Attack on Titan, Ghostbusters, and Harley Quinn. So yeah, that seems like it's going to be a pretty good box next month. Hope Harley Quinn or Suicide Squad as a shirt. Really hope that. That would be awesome. Alright, you guys, that's the end of my video. Remember, there are several nerd blocks to choose from. There is Nerd Block Classic, which you just saw me unbox. There is Nerd Block Horror, Arcade, Sci-Fi, Comic, and the 2 Nerd Block Juniors, Boys and Girls. Alright, I will leave a link below to go to the website. I want to thank you guys for viewing. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you. If you have already subscribed, thank you so very much. I want you guys to be safe, be well. Peace.